Welcome to the Solenoid replacement instruction video for the U7 Pro Shrink Fit machine. First, unscrew all the screws on the countertop, then rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise. Locate the solenoid as demonstrated in the video and disconnect the air tubes on both sides. Next, unscrew the two screws that secured the solenoid valve in place. Then, disconnect the power cord from the solenoid valve by removing the screw. Prepare the new solenoid and plug the power cord into it. Secure the power cord in place using a screwdriver. Next, screw the solenoid valve back into place. Simply reconnect the air tubes to both sides of the solenoid. Rotate the countertop 90 degrees clockwise to return it to its original position. Finally, reinstall all the countertop screws and you're all set.